If you want to offer framed prints to your clients and even mixed frames and canvases on the same wall, we've made it a whole lot easier in Fundy Designer. Let's check out these new updates that hopefully will make your life easier. Here we are in Fundy Designer, and I'll show you how to add beautiful frames like this to any wall art room. So first, if you are in an album design, you'll want to go to the gallery wall art that's created with the design for me one click. Here we have a few different walls, some with frames, some without frames. Open up a wall without frames, and under the type of wall art, choose framed prints. You can redo the layout so it's much nicer. And how do we access frames? Now down at the bottom, you'll see images, PNGs, rooms, and here are the frames. Now, you can see a bunch of frames here. We have a filter that allows you to show all frames or only certain frames. Now let's go ahead and click on the frames. Now we can click Add Frames, and we can import a single frame edge, multiple frames, or a new Fundy frame set. So let's click here to download the frame edges, and you will come to this web page. This will explain how to import the frames. Additionally, at the bottom, you will see downloads for frames for different companies. We are constantly adding new frame edges from different companies. If you don't see your frames, submit a support ticket or introduce your frame company to our support team and they will add it. If you click download frames, it will download multiple options for frames. And then all you need to do is click Add Fundy Frame Set. Here is the Miller's folder. If you would like to import individual frames, you can do that by using one of the other two options, or you can choose this new Fundy frame set. Now I've already imported collection 1 and 2. Let's import collection 3. And here they are. So here are all of the frames. Additionally, you can filter to just which frames you want to see in the collection. And with frames, you can now select multiple frames and you can add your own tags. So for example, maybe you have some cheaper frames and expensive frames. You can put those into your own collections if you want. So this filter section, while we add filter items, you can add as many as you want. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of these frames. If I want the gold ornate, I just click that here, here, here. And remember, when you go to your collections, it will figure out the size of the images based on the frame and make a nice collection for you. So that's how to import frames. And this is how you add value to your clients and offer them framed wall art. For more tutorials on IPS or how to import rooms or use rooms, up in the help menu, there are tutorials on the different sections of IPS, rooms, importing your client rooms, etc. If you want to learn more about designing albums, wall art, and more with Fundy Designer, be sure to click like and subscribe because we have some great content coming not only from me, but from industry leaders.